again, everyone. So I have another blue package here, which means I have a Chic Sparrow Traveler's Notebook to unbox. It's been a little while since I've ordered something from Chic Sparrow. This was something that I ordered because I specifically wanted this size and this leather, so I'll go ahead and show you what it is. All right, so let's go ahead and get in here. And I'm gonna see what sticker we have. Okay, we have this one again. Cute little sticker. Actually, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see a little better. Okay. Nothing else really of note. So this is a leather that I already have in a couple of sizes, but this is a black Maverick. Actually, it's called a Scout now. So I haven't been the biggest fan of the new pen loop. Actually, I zoomed in too much. Let me get up a little bit so you can see that better. I haven't been the biggest fan of the new pen loop, but I wanted to have this particular style, which is the well, the Scout only comes with the vertical pockets like this. I wanted to have it in a black color from Chic Sparrow. So it looks like they still are making the pen loop spot a little bit big. So that was kind of the problem that I had with my last order, which was the same size and same leather, just in a golden brown. I had asked for lightning strikes if possible, but it looks like this is more of a modeled version of the Black Maverick, and that's fine. You know, they can't always honor the requests. But I kind of like the Black Maverick in just about every iteration. So this is pretty nice. It's very interesting. It's like, it's almost like it's been rolled because it has all these little wrinkles here in the top. So let's go ahead and look at this as a whole here. So if you don't know, the Scout has a buffalo leather exterior leather. This is what used to be called the Maverick leather. And then on the inside it has the creme leather and in a coordinating color. So this is the black creme. And it looks like it's a pretty smooth black creme too. And again, that pen loop is just too shifty. I might end up taking this one out, the pen loop, but I don't know. So that's kind of why I've been hesitant to order some additional Chic Sparrows, is because of the pen loop. I'm not the biggest fan. It just, I was a big fan of the prior pen loop, and I know they had reasons for changing it, but I think this needs a little more work, quite frankly. So that's it, really. Very short video. I was thinking that, I mean, I have so many different traveler's notebooks that I could use as a wallet. But I have also been starting to write in some pocket-sized notebooks, and although it's fairly small, it's kind of nice to be able to fill up a notebook kind of fast with the smaller size. So so we'll see, and they actually do make pretty good little art journal sizes, because then you can just have a little, like a watercolor insert and do some quick sketching there. I do have one other Chic Sparrow on the way in their new style, the number 7. It has the same pen loop, which, you know, I'm not a fan of, but it was also in a new leather that I wanted to try, so we'll see. I do plan to do a little bit of weeding out of my collection. I thought about this at the end of 2020. And then I was kind of hesitant to do so because of the new pen loop design, because I really wanted to keep my old ones that had the what I view as a better pen loop design. So we'll see. I do need to get rid of some because I'm running out of space in the drawer that they're in. Basically, I have my traveler's notebooks in 3 spaces, or 4 spaces in the room that I'm in now. Basically, I have a drawer for ones that I'm not really using right now, and then I'll swap out between those, and then I have some on my desk that I use every day, and then I have some on top of the drawer that I have it in for things that I don't necessarily use every day but are in current use. And then I have the then I have another set that are on a shelf out in my hallway that are in use but are even less in use. As far they're things I use more rarely, or they are storing inserts that I particularly like or something like that. But I do need to pare down. I mean, there's only so many traveler's notebooks that a person needs, right? So so we'll see. I'll take a look at this. I'll play around with the new pen loop a little more. I think if you have some things in here that kind of press this down, like the inserts themselves, I don't have any pocket size inserts handy, but so if you had, if you had them on there and they were kind of laying against that, you're not going to have much movement on the pen loop. So maybe I'll just put a heavier book in here and that will kind of take care of that. But we'll see. I mean, I really do like this pocket design with the vertical pockets here. That's essentially why I purchased the, oh goodness, what does she call herself? It was a different seller. I'll put a link down below to the video where I show my current wallet setup in sort of the black Maverick leather in that other company, and then I'll have the name and everything. So that's kind of why I got that, because I couldn't get the vertical pockets at the time from Chic Sparrow in this color. So I'm not sure if I'll go with this or if I'll keep that one or if I'll keep both. We'll see. We'll see. All right. Well, I think that's just about all I can talk about related to this notebook. As far as I know, the Scout style is going to be a reoccurring thing. It's not necessarily limited edition. So, so you should be able to get it whenever they get leather back in stock. It seems like they have had some troubles getting leather in stock, probably mostly due to the pandemic, just because everyone's so affected. So there you go. All right. And like I said, I think I only really have one more notebook coming. Like I said, I have been slowing down my purchases because of the new pen loop. So, and I have so many. I mean, it's not, like I said, at some point you just don't need any more. All right. Well, that's all I had for you today. Feel free to subscribe to keep track of future videos. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. I hope to see you next time, but in the meantime, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.